Hello everyone, good evening. Abhishek here. So we will try to analyze market today. Let's see what happened today. Okay. As many of you watch my video, uh, we have the data which was bullish in nature. I mean, data was clearly saying the FIIs and other smart people they have taken long with them. Okay, but due to global scenario, okay, we were supposed to open a huge gap down, but that did not happen. We did not open huge gap down. Instead, gap down was managed and we were able to open with 0.5% gap down. That was the first indication that these smart guys are trying to protect their positions. Okay, and as many of you have might have read my tweet, I also mentioned that we will be having a small IB. Why? Because after first 15 minutes, the gap down has been reduced and there was no follow through on the downside. That was the indication that we might be consolidating for a while, then we'll start a new trending move either side. I mean, because choosing a side after a consolidation is not easy. Okay. And what happened? We have a 200 points IB. After that, for 2 hours, we have consolidated. And as you know from my concept, that whenever we have a small IB range, we usually have a trend day, and it was no different. Okay, market went up and then again consolidated and then closed at the near high. Okay, so that was a day which was did not played unexpectedly. Okay, the open have has given us indication that though global market is negative, but our market wants to fight the global sentiment, and that was proven towards the end of the day. Okay, so that was about what happened today and what can happen tomorrow. Okay, so for that we have to see the data. So I'll open the data sheet. Okay, guys. So, in terms of data, we don't have very huge positions from the FIIs. Sorry, 6,000. This is the FI difference. Okay. So, 6,000 lots they are carrying. This is not huge. But if we'll see what number, so they are carrying almost 12,000 of long calls. Okay. So, this is not a very huge number, but enough. I mean, it's good. It's a good number. So going by that, we can expect a one round of up move tomorrow. Okay, but there is a huge chance of rotation. Why rotation? That is a very deep topic to talk about. But tomorrow, if you will see market going 300 or 400 points in the first hour, guys, plan, be ready for the rotation because we might be seeing a rotation towards the VWAP or at least towards the even low of the day. Okay, so but one round of buying would be there, and we in the first half we will be making a moderate IB. I mean, moderate IB for say is a IB of 250 to 350 points. Okay, that is a possibility that in morning we will be covering this much of points. Seeing global markets, see guys, Dow is soaring on the upside. So obviously we will be we have all the ingredients to open gap up tomorrow. But that is not important. Where we will open, that is more important, and that can change overnight. Okay, so uh, bank nifty chart. In bank nifty, what you can plan tomorrow? Okay, guys, these two are the supply zones that we have marked. Okay, and I don't think so we are crossing, we are going above this supply zone. Okay, so let me mark for you. This supply zone might be taken even during opening only, but going above this would take something special. Okay, so this is around how many points away? Oh, this is around, okay, 400 points away. Oh, so perfect. So we might see a resistance from here, and the rotation that I was talking about little while ago might be coming from this supply zone. Okay, you can note it down. I'll You might have idea of like where this supply zone is located. Okay, so if I this is a 15-minute chart. If you'll see, this is a supply zone. Okay, and on the downside there is a less probability of we moving towards the downside because of many factors. But even if we have to, then this is the level you should be watchful. I mean, yeah, the green line you are seeing, below that they we will be auctioning very fast towards this blue line. Okay, so tomorrow you have the plan. You should not be you should not be looking too much upside above that. Okay, and expect a rotation from this level. So this is it for today, guys. If you like my video or analysis, I have a lot to offer, but I am planning all of the videos that I want to share with you. Till then, please keep supporting me. Your each and every subscriber increase motivates me to post better content, and I will do justice with your time in coming months or year for sure. Take care. Have a good night.